Hi everyone. Today we will solve the problem of first unique number, which the problem statement says that we have a queue of integer. We need to retrieve the first unique integer in a queue. We need to implement a first unique class, and every time it is initialized with array of numbers, it will initialize the object with the number in a queue. When the first unique is called, it returns the value of the first unique integer of the queue and return -1 if there is no such integer. And it also, when we call add, it will add that value to the queue. Let's go through the example. Every time first unique is called with the array of numbers as a parameters, all these numbers are inserted in a queue, and then when the show first unique is called, it will return 2 because this is the first unique number in a queue. After that, when add 5 is called, it's added in a queue, and when we call show first unique, it return 2 because 2 is a first unique number in a queue. After that, when we add 2, it should be added in a queue, and then when show first unique is called, it returns 3. And when add 3 is called, the queue becomes 235523, and now we know that there is no numbers which are unique, so it will return -1. Okay, let's start with the implementation. The problem statement says that we need to maintain uh, a list of integers which is unique. So when the class let's it this problem could be solved by having the two data structures. The first data structure will be the basic JavaScript object, which will contain the value and its frequency as a key value pair. And the second data structure will be this dot unique, which will be a simple array object from the JavaScript, and this one will store all the unique values in a queue of integers. So what will happen, that every time I will get a number, I will I will add it to the map, and I will check what is the frequency of it. If there is a frequency already, we will add +1 to that. And also, if it is already existing, it means it is not unique, and in that case we will remove it from the unique array. So let's try with the implementation. We start with the this.map, which is initialized as a blank object, and then this.unit, which is a empty array. Let's start. We have been given a list of numbers, that is an array. So we will loop through the array first, and in this case what we will do is we will check if this exists in a map, this dot nums_i. If it exists in a map, it means we have to remove it from the unique array because now it's not unique. So to remove this from a unique array, we first need to know what is the index at which it is exist. So we go here and we will use the index of method from the array, and this dot unique index of nums_i. If index is greater than -1, it means it exists already in an array. We will splice it from the array by length 1. So this element is removed from an array, and after that we will sorry, this one should be q, and then I will increase the frequency +1. what happens if it doesn't exist in a map? It means this is the first time it is coming in the map, so I will simply initialize it to 1. Is equal to 1, and I will also push it in my unique array. Okay, uh, this is it. So this function will actually initialize my two data structures, and then the nums which are coming are respectively added in a map, and if it is unique then it will be added to unique array, and if it is not unique then it will be removed from the unique array. In the map we will just store the frequency of how many times it's getting how many times it's available in the queue of integers. Let's start with the show first unique. This one, to implement this function we need to show the first unique number, so for that we will simply check if this dot unique dot length is equal to 0. It means there is no unique numbers. In that case I will return -1, and if the length is greater than 0, dot length is greater than 0, then I will return the first element of this array. That is it for showing the first unique integer in a queue of array, in the queue of integers. Okay, let's move to the implementation of add. The implementation of add will be somehow same as what we did here during the initialization of object. We will check first if it exists in a map. If it exists in a map, we will remove it from the unique array, and we will increase the frequency in a map. And if it doesn't exist in a map, we will simply push it to the unique array, and we will initialize it to 1 in the map. So let's start with the implementation quickly. Just a if check this dot map value. We will remove it from the unique array in the same way. And if index is greater than -1, return this dot unique dot splice index to 1, and then we do this dot map value is equal to this dot map value +1, else this dot unique dot push the value, this dot map dot value is equal to this dot map value, no sorry, this is the first time it's coming, so it will be initialized to 1. Okay, so that's it. Let's try to run it first. Yeah, and this one works. This was the third example. Let's see the second example. What does it say? I think I copied it wrong. Okay, this seems to be correct. Let's go for the first example. Yeah, it works pretty well. I found the solution very simple and easy to understand. I would like to hear your feedback on this solution.